All right, I'm not even going to go over all of the nightmarish things that went wrong with this tire change. That jack handle kept breaking, just like it is right there. You see it's not connected. And I had to keep bending the pin. Every 2 or 3 pumps it would pop off. I had to keep bending the pin. Bent that 3/8 inch steel ramp. It was a nightmare. And I didn't want to take the skid steer off. I know some guys are going to say, why don't you do that? I didn't want to do that with just one tire on, because of all that shifting weight. If I blow the other one, then I was really screwed. So I got it on there finally, but I'm probably $200-300 bucks in the hole right now. Look at this mess. That's 5-foot high weeds there since, well, I probably mowed it last when I cleared it. 7 foot high. Wow. Well, let's get to work. So I'm totally soaked in sweat. I don't want to get in the machine with the air on like that, so I got this old sweatshirt. I'll just cut these sleeves off and improvise. It'll feel good to get dry again for a little while. Well, I almost turned around and went back home after that snafu. And I'm here. We'll see what we can get done. So this right here is the spot that I'm mowing right now. This particular, it's a L-shaped future food plot. So right here, when we cleared all this, that's where we're mowing right now. Yeah, I mean, either that or it could be like Milo, you know, depending on what kind of mix they planted, but obviously Johnson grass and the weeds overpowered it. Kind of a shame all this Milo, but it's going to be nicer. This is 7, some of this is 8 foot tall right here. I mean, some of it's 9 or 10 way up there. What a jungle. Man, I didn't even see my slash pile there. And if you remember, I said in this L here, visualize a blind setup here. And there they got it. They got a 5 foot top. All right. inside, and here's the finished look. For me anyways, Curtis is going to stay for a few more hours. He might have the grapple work done, but we got that lane almost opened up, and this beautiful lane is open. Just looking down both legs of this clear cut. That's the next one I'm going to hit. 80 shirt. Look at this little creature I just saw. Well, that's a little bitty mantis. Tiny guy. Oh, dirty deeds. Alright, now I'm starting on the big long one. Hopefully this one will go a little quicker. It ain't quite thick, although you see these are all oak trees right here. Okay, so right now I started on this very long narrow strip right here. So this is what we're mowing now. Man, it looks so different from when we cleared this all in May.